now driving around with a 12-pack of Busch empty bottles down. Rusty's tied up in the back of the cab for the ready just to pop my last stab. And I've gone way too far to swing by the old swamps bar. We'll find someone where another, don't you know, that dog will hunt them down. Little brother Davy had a falling out, said I took his only plant and then headed south. Now I'm not the fella that you're looking for. Grab a couple beers and you find out for sure. And I've gone way too far to swing by the old swamps bar. We'll find someone where another, don't you know, that dog will hunt them down. Grab Uncle Jess and you find out now just who in the hell shot our best damn cow. Oh man, Sayre, he's a son of a bitch. Fetch a few picks and then dig the ditch. Now I've gone way too far to swing by the old swamps bar. We'll find someone where another, don't you know, that dog will hunt them down. We'll find someone where another, don't you know, well, that dog will hunt them down.